football is just a game. For me, it's a lifeline. And wherever I am, Puma's right there with me, making me forever faster.
It's funny how nobody sings about oranges, the reasons no rhyme. I'm starting to mind how we take our ideas, we put them in storage, but peel back the rind. Who knows what you'd find? Take the same risks as if you're afraid. If life gave you an orange, would you make lemonade? And it's funny how nobody sings about oranges when you got one in the palm of your hand.
And that was just the best sign. Okay, this is what I meant to do. Keep going.
At any moment, you know, something could hit for her, the right song, the right connection, and she's had some of those moments, but to really take her to that next level and blow her up.
I've always told her there will be a career in music for you.
I think she's gonna get there.